how to delete project permanently on CapCut. So guys, in this video I will show you how you can easily delete your project permanently on CapCut. So guys, without wasting time, let's start video. If you find this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. So let's start.
Deleting project permanently. So firstly open the CapCut. So when you will open the CapCut, here you can see different project. So select that project which you want to remove permanently. So after selecting, click on move to trash. So after this you can see here is the delete option, so click on it. So after this it will not delete it permanently, so you can also restore it. So if you want to remove permanently, so click on library and then scroll down. So after this, here is the options of trash, so click on trash and then you can see the deleted video. So press and hold on that video, then you can see here the options of delete, then click on delete and then this is the option, this atom will be permanently deleted and cannot be restored. So click on delete. So guys, in this way you can permanently delete project on CapCut. If this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.